can see the gossip and the guilt. Bit on myself, popped off in the six. Climb up the ice in the sink. Move so big, we moving in sync. Tryna be stacking the brick, tryna be stacking the. I'm different. Ay, yeah, my can't be added. I'm different. In my own lane, I'm keeping distance. I'm different. Making meals wild cause you see it different. Got iced out, came from Sicily. Every day I go hard, yeah, I'm different. Like the strike power outage, the day I was born, I was making a beast. Walked there with my fingers all twitched up cause I came here in peace. I knew I was different, the weight on my shoulder, I carried that burden with ease. Any ordinary man couldn't carry the luggage, you know he would've fell to his knees. They know I'm holding the keys, I doubled the fees. The money legitimate, I got a bank account, it came my islands, that's over the seas. I'm going in the breeze, pocket just looking obese. I gotta breathe, I got some tricks in my sleeve. Different, hey, yeah, my can't be added. I'm different, in my own lane, I'm keeping distance. I'm different, making meals wild cause you see it different. Got iced out, came from Sicily. Every day I go hard, yeah, I'm different. I'm different. I'm different. I'm different. I'm different.
Good day, guys. So, tuloy natin yung Atomic Habits kung saan tayo nag-end. Hanapin ko lang Ayan. So, as promised, we'll pick up from chapter 10 kasi natapos tayo from chapter 9 sa previous vlog. Okay? Maganda tong topic na to. So, it starts with where cravings come from. So it is from the underlying motives. Find, love, and reproduce. So therefore, use Tinder, use Bumble or any other dating site. Connect and bond with others. So browsing Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Win social acceptance and approval. So yun nga, posting on Instagram, tapos getting likes, diba? Reduce uncertainty, searching on Google. So Google search, there's a lot of database na pwede mong ma-research from Google itself. Achieve status and prestige playing video games. Kasi di ba may mga tiers yun, may rankings, di ba? Obtain food and water, Grab Food or Food Panda. These are modern version of old vices. So, hindi na siya bago. Kumbaga, minodernize lang yung mga old habits or old na cravings from the past. Feelings and emotions transform the cues we perceive and the predictions we make into a signal that we can apply. You have been sensing the cues the entire time, but it is only when you predict that you would be better off in a different state that you take action. A craving is the sense of something is missing. It is a desire to change your internal state. The gap between your current state and your desired state provides a reason to act. So, kumbaga, to fulfill nga di ba? Kung ano yung missing sa'yo. Desire is the difference between where you are now and where you want to be in the future. What you really want is to feel different. When emotions and feelings are impaired, we actually lose the ability to make decisions. When a habit successfully addresses the motive, you develop a craving to do it again. Kasi di ba nga, hindi mo naman i-repeat kung hindi siya pleasurable sa'yo. Habits are attractive when we associate them with positive feelings. How to reprogram your brain to enjoy your hard habits? 1. All you need is a slight mindset shift. You don't have to, you get to. So it's like a privilege. Hindi siya parang task. By simply changing one word, you shift the way you view each event. You transition from being these behaviors or burden and turn them into opportunities. You get to wake up early. You get to make another sales call. Reframing your habits to highlight their benefits rather than drawbacks is a fast and lightweight way to reprogram your mind. Exercise. Usually, ito yung sinasabi natin, di ba? It drains energy. Or, I need to run in the morning. So, change natin into new thinking. Instead of drains energy, develop skills. I need to run in the morning. It's time to build endurance. Ang daming pwedeng gawing skills actually sa pag-gym. May plyometrics, may strength training, may powerlifting, ano pa ba? Calisthenics, yun nga, endurance. Ang dami pa eh. Hindi lang siya basta bodybuilding. Marami pang pwedeng gawin sa gym. Sa finance, ito, usually sinasabi natin, yung saving is a sacrifice. But ito yung pwede natin gawin. Instead of thinking of it as sacrifice, we can think of it as freedom. So, yung sacrifice mo ngayon will be your financial freedom in the future. Or living below your means increases your future means. So, ngayon, binababaan mo yung paggasta mo. Pero, in the future, mas malaki yung pwede mong gastusin. Okay? So, the money you save this month increases your purchasing power in the next month. Okay? Meditation. Distractions are frustrating. So, let's change it. I need distractions to practice meditation. Wow, kakaiba yun, di ba? Pre-game jitters. I am nervous. But, let's change it. Yung nararamdaman nating kaba is because I am excited. Or, I'm getting an adrenaline rush to help me concentrate. Motivation ritual. Associate your habits with something you enjoy, then you can use that cue whenever you need motivation. So, ito yung mga example. Playing Spotify before doing focused business work or task. Playing games before starting the daily routine. Ako, yung ginagawa ko, di ba? After ka mag-gym, naglalaro ko ng Marvel Strike Force, and then right after that, tuloy-tuloy na yun. Habit stack na yun. If stressed, 3 deep breaths and smile. Chapter 11, walk slowly but never backwards. If you want to master something, the key is to start with repetition, not perfection. Ito yung sinabi ko sa previous vlogs na kaya pinapabayaan ko lang yung si Arya na gawin yung paghuhugas ng pinggan kahit mali-mali. Is because repetition, di ba? Repetition. Pag nasanay siya sa ganon, and then doon niya mapipick up kung ano yung tamang gagawin eh. So, doon niya ititweak yung mga maling ginawa niya, babaguhin niya para maging tama. So, okay lang yun na kahit mali-mali yung ginagawa ng anak mo, basta ang importante doon, maging habit nila. And then, eventually, doon mo papasukan ng mga corrections. You just need to practice it. You just need to get your reps in. Takeaway. As of January 11, 2023, Big Bum Wolf has 122 videos. I think right now, date today is April 25, 2025. I think nasa 500 plus videos na si Big Bum Wolf. So, in just a span of 2 years, diba? Nagdoble. Almost triple. Just build a routine, system, and content calendar. Ito yung ginagawa ko sa sa content para may proseso ko. Natutunan ko lang din ito actually kay Ben Johnson, YouTuber siya. And ito yung tinatawag niya pabetos. Okay, so planning, A-roll, B-roll, editing, thumbnail, and short form. So, yun yung proseso niya para hindi magulo, parang hindi ka nag-jump, di ba? And may note ako dito, only at my 46th video that I get what lighting I want. Yeah. Only at my 61st video that I built my script pattern. Just practice and produce. You'll learn more that way. Yun. Sa araw-araw mong ginagawa, di ba? Mas makakahanap ka talaga ng easier way or efficient way para maging mas maganda yung mga videos mo. So, yeah. Repetition is the key. We are so focused on figuring out the best approach to the point that we never take action. Yan, nagkakaroon ka na ng parang analysis paralysis sa kaka-overthink mo. Ano ba talaga yung best way? Ano yung pinakamagandang way? Ano yung pinaka-creative way? In such a way na hindi mo na tinutuloy. Puro ka na lang aral. Wala ka nang taking of action. Sayang. So, difference in motion. Difference ng in motion at taking action, okay? So, in motion, planning, strategizing, learning. So, sabi dito, hindi pa daw yon taking action. Hindi siya considered as taking action. So, ano yung considered as taking action? Produces result. Ito yung in motion. Outline 20 ideas for vlog. Taking action, actually writing the script. Ito yung wait lang reading books about trading. Yun yung in motion ka pa lang. Pero ano yung taking action? Actually doing the trading. Diba? In motion, talk to consultant about your business. So, ano yung taking action equivalent nun? Execute what is in the business plan. Yun na, di ba? So, akala kasi natin may mga bagay na taking action na pala, pero yun pala, pa lang siya, in motion ka pa lang, hindi pa siya actual na execution. Wait lang. Let me finish my video. Sit down here. Please. Sit down. I'm gonna balot you. Sit down. Hold mo muna. Dito ka. Yung hand? Dito mo na. Sit down. Okay? Ito yung takeaway ko dito. Nakasulat dito. During binabasa ko yung libro. Ito yung takeaway ko. Fatherhood, yung Ambridge yung isa ko pang company aside kay Pixelens, and then stocks. Ayan. I want to be a father even if I am not ready yet. I know that everything will be learned along the way. I know that the perfect time that I will be ready will never arrive. That's why I always take the leap. I haven't read too many books about business. I only need to make the change, Rich Dad and Poor Dad. I took the leap and registered Ambridge the share as corporation. I traded stocks long before I knew Mark Minervini. I took the leap to trade even if it is fated to fail because that's where I will learn. Ito yung mga notes ko during that time. So, all those things na sinabi ko, all are risky and I didn't play safe. Yeah, totoo naman kasi the more you risk kasi, the more you'll be rewarded. But, play it, kumbaga manage the risk. So, you have to be a risk manager, not just gambler. Okay? Kasi, anong difference ng gambling? Well, kumbaga hindi mo inaaral yung mga ratio ng winning and losing percentages. You're just throwing out money. Pero pag managing risk, you're calculating. Wait lang. Dito ka na. Thank you. Almost done. Sometimes motion is useful, but it will never produce an outcome by itself. We do motion because we actually need to plan or learn more. Motion allows us to feel like we're making progress without running the risk of failure. We want to delay failure, but failure is inevitable. It is just a matter of how you will react based upon your failure. It's easy to be in motion and convince yourself that you're still making progress. Yan. Motion makes you feel like you're getting things done, but in reality, you're just preparing to get something done. When preparation becomes a form of procrastination, you need to change something. Yun yung delikado doon. Puro ka na lang plan. Wala ka nang in-execute. You don't want to merely be planning. You need to be practicing habits based on frequency and not time. You need to string together enough successful attempts until the behavior is firmly embedded in your mind. So yeah, it's not just about the repetition but also, kumbaga, yung mga success nung repetition na yun para tumatak sa habits natin. Kasi yun nga, kung puro fail, mahihirapan ka. So how do you make it hindi puro fail? You make it easier at first. Break it into a smaller chunks or easy task, and then gradually kapag tingin mo na sobrang easy na sa'yo and nakip mo na yung habit, tsaka mo hirapan or tsaka mo dalasan. Yeah. So yeah, that's it for today's video, and I'll see you on the next vlog. We are already on chapter 12. See you. Thank you for watching. Bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.